Starting your fitness journey can feel confusing, overwhelming, and honestly, a little intimidating. One day you're motivated, and the next day, you don't even know where to begin. But what if getting fit didn't require extreme diets, expensive gym memberships, or spending hours working out? In this video, we'll walk through 5 simple and practical steps that can help anyone begin their fitness journey, no matter your age or fitness level. And if you want the complete detailed guide, make sure to check out our blog. The link is available in the description below. Before starting any fitness journey, you first need to understand where you currently stand. And the good news? You don't need fancy gym equipment to do that. Simple self assessment tests at home can tell you a lot about your body. Try basic push ups to test upper body strength. Do chair sit and stands to check leg strength. Hold a wall sit or a plank to measure endurance. Even flexibility matters. Sit down, stretch toward your toes, and see how mobile your body feels. These small tests aren't about perfection. They simply help you establish your starting point. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is comparing themselves to people who've been training for years. Fitness isn't about instant transformation, it's about gradual progress. If you can't do a push up today, maybe your first goal is doing one by next week. If you can only jog for 1 minute, aim for three. Your progress depends on consistency, recovery, effort, and your lifestyle. Small improvements may not look dramatic overnight, but over time, they completely change your body and mindset. Before jumping into workouts, understand your body's limitations. Maybe you have old injuries, joint pain, asthma, or haven't exercised in years. That doesn't mean fitness isn't for you. It simply means your plan should match your body. Once you know your starting point, define your fitness goals clearly. Do you want to lose weight, build muscle, improve stamina, increase energy? The clearer your goal, the easier it becomes to stay motivated. And remember, realistic goals always work better than extreme expectations. Saying, I want to get fit sounds good, but it's too vague. Instead, create smart goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. For example, I will walk 30 minutes, 5 days a week for the next month. That's clear and actionable. Your fitness plan should also fit your lifestyle. If you're a morning person, work out early. If evenings work better, train then. The best workout routine is the one you can actually stick to consistently. You don't need complicated workout programs to begin. A balanced beginner routine should include 4 things: cardio, strength training, flexibility, and balance exercises. Walking, cycling, and swimming improve heart health. Bodyweight exercises like squats, push ups, and planks build strength. Stretching and yoga improve flexibility and recovery. And the best part? Most beginner workouts require absolutely no equipment. Start with short 20 to 30 minute sessions, 3 to 4 times a week. Remember, consistency beats intensity every single time. A lot of people quit fitness because they try doing too much too quickly. Your body needs time to adapt. During the first few weeks, focus more on building habits and learning proper form. Then, gradually increase workout time, intensity, or exercise difficulty. Progression should feel challenging, not painful. Some soreness is normal. Sharp pain is not. The goal isn't to destroy your body. The goal is to build a routine you can sustain for years. Exercise alone isn't enough. Nutrition plays a massive role in your fitness journey. After workouts, your body needs protein to repair muscles and carbohydrates to restore energy. Simple foods work perfectly: eggs, chicken, tofu, bananas, oats, yogurt, fruits, chickpeas, or smoothies. Hydration matters too. Most people only drink water when they feel thirsty. But by then, your body is already dehydrated. Drink water consistently throughout the day, especially before and after workouts. Fitness doesn't require extreme diets. It requires smarter daily choices. The secret to long-term fitness success isn't motivation. It's consistency. Some days you'll feel energetic, other days you won't want to move at all. That's normal. Track small wins, an extra push up, a longer walk, better sleep, or simply showing up consistently. And most importantly, find movement you genuinely enjoy. Dance, walk, cycle, swim, hike, play sports. It all counts. Fitness should feel like self care, not punishment. The more enjoyable the process becomes, the easier it is to stay committed. Fitness isn't about becoming perfect overnight. It's about becoming slightly better every single day. As shared in the My Zone section of our blog, the human body is designed to stay in motion. Even if you start small, the important thing is to keep moving forward. If you can sprint, sprint. If you can jog, jog. If you can only walk, then walk. But never stop moving. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more practical health and fitness content. And don't forget, the complete blog post with detailed explanations, workout tips, and beginner guidance is linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.